Hi all, in this video we are going to discuss a numerical problem based on Rankine cycle. We already discussed about Rankine cycle in my previous video. The link is given in description. The question is, in a Rankine cycle, the steam at inlet to a turbine is dry saturated at a pressure of 35 bar and the exhaust pressure is 0.2 bar. Calculate A. Pump work, B. Turbine work, C. Rankine efficiency, and D. Condenser heat flow. Assume flow rate of 9.5 kg per second. In the question, it is given that the condition of steam at the turbine inlet, that is state 1, is dry saturated steam. Therefore, we can draw the ideal Rankine cycle, that is TS diagram and HS diagram of ideal Rankine cycle. Okay, now we can write the given data. In the question, the pressure of steam at the turbine inlet, that is boiler pressure, is given. It is P1 equals P4 equals 35 bar. Also the exhaust pressure, that is condenser pressure, is given. It is P2 equals P3 is equal to 0.2 bar. Mass flow rate of steam is given. It is 9.5 kg per second. Now we can find the properties of steam at boiler pressure, that is 35 bar. I am using steam table by R.S. Kurmi, and from saturated pressure tables I found 35 bar, and now I can write the properties. The condition of steam at state 1 is dry saturated, that is Hg equals H1 equals 2802 kJ per kilogram. Also Sg equals S1 equals 6.123 kJ per kilogram Kelvin. Now we can find properties of steam at condenser pressure, that is 0.2 bar. And from saturated pressure tables I found 0.2 bar, and now we can write the properties. State 2 and 3 are at same pressure, therefore properties from steam table at state 2 and 3 are same. Vf equals Vf3 equals 0.001017 meter cube. Also Hf equals Hf2 equals Hf3 equals 251.5 kJ per kilogram. Similarly, Hfg equals Hfg2 equals Hfg3 equals 2358.4 kJ per kilogram. Similarly, Sf equals Sf2 equals Sf3 equals 0.832 kJ per kilogram Kelvin. Sfg equals Sfg2 equals Sfg3, it is 7.077 kJ per kilogram Kelvin. Okay, we can write S2 equals Sf2 plus x2 into Sfg2. But S2 is same as S1. Therefore, we can write S1 equals Sf2 plus x2 into Sfg2. That is x2 equals S1 minus Sf2 by Sfg2. After substituting values, we will get x2 as 0.7476. And now we can find H2. H2 equals HF2 plus X2 into HFG2. And we can substitute the values. We know X2 Therefore, H2 equals 2014.63 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, we know the value of HF3. It is same as H3 because state 3 is saturated liquid. Therefore, H3 equals 251.5 kilojoule per kilogram. We know the formula for pump work. It is integral P3 to P4 VdP. That is V into P4 minus P3. V is the specific volume at state 3. That is 0.001017 meter cube. And pressure P4 is 35 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal and P3 is 0.2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. And now we can find the pump work. It is 3.539 kilojoule per kilogram. There is another formula for pump work. It is H4 minus H3. Therefore, we can find H4 equals Wp plus H3. That is H4 equals 255 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, the first question is pump work. Since mass flow rate is given, Wp equals m dot s into small letter Wp. After substituting values, we will get pump work as 33.62 kilowatt. Next is turbine work. That is process 1 to 2. It is Wt equals m dot s into H1 minus H2. After substituting values, we will get turbine work as 7480 kilowatt. Now we can find heat input. It is process 4 to 1. That is m dot s into H1 minus H4. After substituting values, we will get heat input as 24,196.5 kilowatt. Next question is Rankine efficiency. That is efficiency Rankine equals Wt minus Wp by Qin. Okay, we know the values and we can substitute and we will get Rankine efficiency as 0.307. That is 30.7%. The last question is condenser heat flow. That is Q out. It is process 2 to 3. That is m dot s into H2 minus H3. And after substituting values, we will get condenser heat flow as 16,749.73 kilowatt. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. Thank you.